You won't believe how easy this is. I'm about to show you how to make a soft, flavorful rosemary mug bread that's low carb, keto friendly, and ready in just 5 minutes. All in the microwave. Sounds too good to be true? Here's that beautiful, fluffy bread fresh from the microwave. Simple, but packed with flavor. But stick around because I'm going to show you delicious ways to enjoy it. Plus, a quick trick that brings out the best flavor. Let's begin. Start by adding half a teaspoon of olive oil or canola oil right into your mug. Brush some of the oil up the sides of the mug to prevent sticking. Then add 2 large fresh eggs. 1/2 cup good quality fine almond flour. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and choose grain-free if available. Add 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon granulated stevia, and a dash of dried rosemary. Optionally, you can also add a dash of dried parsley and a pinch of garlic powder. Use a small whisk or a fork to mix everything gently until the batter is smooth. You don't want lumps or pockets of almond flour at the bottom of the mug. And remember to not overmix. Tap the mug lightly on your counter. That helps release any trapped air bubbles prior to placing it in the microwave. Now, microwave on high for 3 minutes. You can double or triple the recipe if you want to make several mug bread. Use a medium-sized mixing bowl to prepare the batter, then pour the batter into several mugs. Just add 1 extra minute of microwave time per extra mug. Once the bread is done, remove the mug carefully. It will be hot, so let it cool for about 2 minutes right inside the mug. To remove the bread, just run a spatula gently along the sides if needed, or if you oil the mug well, you can simply turn it upside down and the bread should pop right out. Slice the bread with a serrated knife. You'll get about 3 thick slices or up to 5 if you slice thinly. Now, if you want even more flavor, here's a quick tip. Toast your mug bread on the stovetop using a pan on low heat. Or use a griddle or a pizza maker like I'm using here. That golden crisp, that crispy edge makes a delicious difference. And now for the fun part, serving ideas. Spread cream cheese on one slice for a creamy, tangy treat. Next, try sugar-free strawberry jam with butter. On another slice, I like to pile on cubed deli ham and a little sharp cheddar cheese, savory and satisfying. So many healthy, delicious possibilities. Try it out and have fun experimenting with your favorite toppings. If you like today's recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious, healthy, and easy recipes. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Enjoy!